Audacity.
Vocal removal background noise removal tutorial. After downloading Audacity, click on Effect. Get AI Effects. Download it. Open Audacity. Go to Edit. Select Preferences. Find Modules. Scroll down. Enable OpenVino. Restart Audacity. Import the audio file. Listen to the original audio.
Break my limitations. Don't try to stop me. I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory. Yeah, don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring. Just want a life that is worth every day exploring.
Select the entire audio file. Go to Effect. Find OpenVino. Select Music Separation. You can separate instruments, or just separate vocals and background music. Apply the effect to start the separation. After completion, it will split into multiple tracks. The first track is the original music. Mute it first. The second track contains only background music. The third track contains only vocals. Listen to the result of removing vocals. The removal is very clean. The audio quality is also good. Now listen to the result of removing background music.
Don't try to stop me. I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory. Yeah, don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring. Just want a life that is worth every day exploring.
My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me.
Turn off the unwanted tracks. Go to File. Select Export Audio. Choose MP3. There are also online track separation tools. Recommended links are in the video description. Remember to follow and subscribe. More useful tips to share with you.